Watching haters wonder why Gambino got the game. Halftime, all she wanna do is bang. Got her hair done, French braids, now she ASAP. Bino so insensitive, she asked me why you say that. I'm chillin', real nigga feeling.
Good morning, guys! Today is Sunday, August 11th, and we are here in Kelowna! Grabe guys, kagabi nasa Vancouver lang kami, and we drove like 4 hours.
And all you do is sleep.
Shut up. Yeah, we drove 4 hours to get here. And yeah, we're here na sa first location, which is like cherry picking. Pero wala naman cherry sila. Maga sila nagka-cherry this season. So, we're gonna do blackberry picking instead. Yeah. Nasaan kaya ang blackberry, guys? Wala pa kami nakahanap. Kasalukuyan kami naghahanap ng blackberry. Pero hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin kami mahanap. Puro cherry yung nakikita namin. We've been searching. And wala pa kaming nakukuha. Wala pa kami napipik. Alam nyo ba yun? Wala pa kami napipik. Iibuin mo.
Kaya nga, matigas ka.
Ugain mo kaya. Try mo. Oh, yun na. Dalawa.
Dalawa lang.
Guys, I found apples. Ay! So guys, nagpatulong na kaming maghanap ng blackberries. Nandito lang pala sa right side. Doon kami pumunta doon sa pinakamalayong yun. Kaya pala puro cherries yung nakikita namin.
Tabi-tabi po. Ayun o. Ano naman nila? Ito. Kunin nyo to. Guys, get it.
Yeah.
We got one. Woohoo!
One down.
Nagkukulay. Nakaputi ako.
No way! This is so cute! Aww!
Ang daming ano? White. Eh, ka muna eh!
Ala, yan, lumayas tuloy.
Tinakot nila.
Ala, yung paa nila nakagano.
Ano daw pa na?
Hanggang.
Kundi lang ako nagsikap mag blackberry picking. Hindi ko makukuha ang ganito kadami. Sila umalis na eh. Kala nila wala na oh. Tingnan mo, ang dami ko nang kuha oh. Moment of truth. Okay lang. Maasim-asim siya. Maasim na matamis. Which is perfect. Siyempre, hinugasan ko muna. Pumili si na ate ng ice cream habang nagba-blackberry picking ako, di ba? Ang daya, no? Nalalagyan natin. Ready?
Ala na yan, si
Wait ko naman yung suot ko. Sarap.
ice cream.
One more! This one is sour. Ooh! Tingnan niyo yung damit ko, guys. Nagdumi na.
Paano mo nakuha na yung iba?
Hinigit-higit ko yung sanga. Sabi ko, uy, pwede yun. Nasa kabilang bakod eh. Hinigit ko na lang yung sanga. Nakuha ko naman.
Kaya palang tagal mo, nakantay ka namin. So, tagal yung makit nilis.
Got one for myself, of course.
Pero talaga
Hindi ako
sila, oh.
magpapatalo.
Oo, kasi nagustuhan ko yung blackberry.
Huh?
Pero pa dapat matamis.
Piling ko inubos ko na talaga yung blackberry doon.
Una, kinuha nila, tapos sinimot mo.
Akala ko tumawid ka pa sa kabilang
Success on cherry picking. And we have made it here na sa wine tasting place. And yes, I did a little outfit change. Kasi ang dungis-dungis ko na. Puro blackberry stains na yung tube top ko tsaka yung skirt ko.
tastings. We have all 3 ice wines for 20, or these 4 whites for 15, or 4 reds for 25. We also have the wines of the beach, which are kind of special library wines you never get to open for an extra special tasting. Some people do just those. We have an older bubble, lovely white sparkling, or we have a lovely aromatic white, the gold award-winning muscats.
We're just gonna try this one.
You just want to try the Keter? You
Yes.
don't want to So this is just the Keter. I'm not going to charge you for that. This is the Keter. This is a Bordeaux style blend. It's a blend that was created for the G7 Summit Quebec City in 2018.
Oh, Quebec, okay.
Really beautiful, kind of magical. So it's a blend of lots of different grapes. There's a Cabernet Franc, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Pinot Noir, Syrah, and Sauvignon.
Try nyo, try nyo.
Oh, tiyan.
Try nyo. Did you like it? Did you like it?
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back.
Hey guys, quick haul. I got a tripod. Okay. And then a portable fan. So cute, right? And then the second last. Ito talaga pinunta ko kasi like nasira ko yung sunglasses ko, so I have to buy a new one. Yes. And then I got a ref magnet. It says like Kelowna. Oh yeah, that's all. $72 ang mahal. Okay, thank you so much.
Something about this girl, man.